machine.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Don't you let me down. If you let me drown, die in your arms again, die in your arms. I will make a sound, blood on the ground. When they take the ground, if you take my ground.
Can I get a demo with you? Sure. All right.
Feels like you're a part of me, and I feel like you still get to me. Oh no, I'm in my feelings, fucking logic. They can never tear us apart. We said we I cooked it up and then I went low. My baby mama put some range roll. Had I made sure I got it fully loaded. Can't be the one and then you get exposed. If you the one, then God will let me know. But at the same time, I like the vibe of one. I'm paranoid, I gotta ride with one. And I had this brain to her last.
So, what's your name first? And what's
My name is Jay.
And what else in here, man? Go ahead.
I have pretty much DS18 Neos everywhere in the doors.
Okay.
I have two ZV515s on Assault 8. For highs up, I got a Sundown SFB 500.4. Running 1 ohm per channel.
Did you do this install?
I did.
Okay.
Yep, I did everything besides build the box. It's the only thing I didn't do.
Do you know anything about the box, like specs, tuning,
Yeah, it's
ST?
232.
Okay.
It's a little small. I got that box built for some DC XL Elite, and I just threw the Sundowns in,
You did?
in
Okay.
there. So they need more space, but they still,
Get down?
yeah, they still get down real good.
A lot of roof work too?
Yeah, I got like 6 layers of
Wow.
deadener, 6 layers of DD deadener, and then a couple layers of this right here, and some spots to help with heat a little bit.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Have you done any kind of SPL tests on it?
Yep, my highest 153.9 at
Really?
at 37 hertz.
That's pretty good. You happy with it?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
I'm still tweaking, doing a little bit here and there, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
15, is this a daily driver too? Or?
Wow, so
Wow,
I got
okay.
everything set up to be like, you
That's
know,
right,
to
yep.
look like bare bones and thrown in.
That's right, yeah.
I did it like that on purpose.
You did a good job though, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
And to keep the pressure in, even though it's still flexing a lot, you can only contain it so much.
Yep,
So,
yep. It's tearing up everything.
Yep, that's how it does when you get as loud as you are, man. Congrats on the score. Almost 55 sounds like you're close to the mid 50 range. So, but it doesn't get as low as you say you want it. It sounds like, or
I can play as low as probably around 26 hertz or something
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to one of my demo playlists and see what I got on
Wow.
Rest in peace, Lord Infamous, Kusta nigga, Mac Miller, Juice WRLD, XXXTentacion, Jimmy Wapo, ASAP Yams, John Singleton, Nipsey Hussle, Lil Peep, Kobe Bryant. I miss y'all, man. I was just sitting there pouring this paper, thinking about all this shit. Thinking, I don't know if I'm reminiscing or what they call this shit. When you get on it, feel like nothing to see you fall asleep. Man, this probably was it with me, I take a step.
Pretty low. For pretty good for a no wall. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop